Hi everyone, here's step-by-step guide how to get FPS Unlocker on your PC. Basically you have 16 FPS per second, so let me show you how to fix that. So first of all, tap on this link in the description down below. After that, copy this file. Just click on this. Just go to the desktop, do right click on the desktop, tap on new, then text document, open that and paste here that you copy. Scroll up and right here you can see FPS. You can change it how much FPS you want to unlock, but I don't prefer change it. Tap on close button and don't forget tap on save button right here. So after that return to the browser and copy this name of file and tap on Ctrl C. Return to the desktop and again tap on file that we made, do right click and tap on rename file, and once we're here tap Ctrl A and Ctrl V. After that tap on enter and now tap on yes. So now you should find Roblox application on your PC. Just tap on search icon at the bottom left corner and type in here Roblox. Find Roblox app, open file location, and once you're here you can tap on Roblox and do right click and in the drop down menu tap on open file location. Once you're here you can expand it and do right click and tap on new folder and just type in here client settings and just drag and drop your file right here. So now if you have Roblox application open in the background, you should close it and open it again. That's it. As you can see, my FPS completely unlocked. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Roblox.